Longtop Precision Manufacturing Company Limited is established from 1996. We are a factory which specializes in stamping, cutting, and machining. Longtop can provide professional custom products and supporting services according to customer needs, according to drawings and samples. Our market covers China and Asia, Middle East, Africa, South America, and so on. As the development of the technology, we keep developing and innovating from manual processing workshops to the high-tech automatic production. Precision Manufacturing Company Limited has a wealth of automatic hydraulic equipments. It helps to reduce labor costs greatly and improve production efficiency a lot. We can meet the customer's delivery time, keeping in the leading level in the industry. We try our best to give a professional service to the electrical industrial area. Different kinds of advanced automatic production equipments are introduced. The production process is constantly optimizing. The quality level is improving, and the output is increasing. With advanced precision testing instruments and a professional QC team, make sure our products are qualified, winning the customer's praise. From 2015, we have kept supplying our high-quality products and efficient service to all over the world. By continuous exploration and accumulation, we've got a lot of recognition from the customers in the world. We persist in research and innovation, breaking through the technical bottleneck constantly, developing higher efficient technology independently. We obtain patent certificates and won the National High-Tech Enterprise Certificate. We introduced advanced management concept and established modern production quality management system. We are dedicated to providing high-quality products to our customers. Longtop for our long-term cooperation and top future.